First, take enough clarified butter in a pan. Roast cashew nuts, wood nuts and ground nuts in quantity. Raisins should be added and fried. Now bay leaves, cardamom, cinnamon and cloves should be fried together. Ginger paste should be added in quantity. Pulao rice should be added in quantity. The rice should be fried for a while. Add enough milk. Add enough water. Add enough salt. Sugar should be added in quantity. Now cook on medium heat for 15 to 20 minutes. Once the rice is cooked, add the roasted almonds and raisins. Keep covered on low heat for 10 minutes. Now cool the rice a bit and add the desired fruit to it. Now mix the fruits and cover for 10 minutes and serve. Delicious Kashmiri Pulao is ready.